notes from one of my songs, Driving Rain.